welcome to my channel again, and in today's video I'm here in my craft room studio and I'm going to try on an eyebrow product that I just got like 2 days ago. So this eyebrow product is very affordable and it's not famous here in Australia, but I'm pretty sure it is a well-known brand in the Philippines. Today I'm talking about the BYS. So today I'm talking about the BYS Brow Shaping Kit. So this is what the kit looks like. By the way guys, this room before is my beauty room. So this is where I put all my beauty related stuff. But because of this room is not air-conditioned room and what's happening in camera? And I've noticed that on summertime my makeup is getting all those moist kind of, especially on the lipstick. So I convert this room to a craft room now, but still I'm filming in this room because my filming light is in this room, as you can see in the mirror right there. So yeah, so and I move all my makeup in our bedroom because, you know, our bedroom is air conditioned room. So in summertime, like, I can film there with, you know, air condition on. So yeah. So, by the way guys, I already have my makeup on because after filming this video, I'm going out to a birthday party. So, yes, I don't have my brows on yet. So, that's what I'm going to do right now. Trying this BYS Brow Shaping Kit. So, in this kit right here, it includes shaping stencils. But I'm not gonna use the stencils. Actually, the party that I'm going starts 2 o'clock and it's already 20 past 2. So here's the kit. In the kit, there is a stencils and the eyebrow products and the angled brush. I'm not gonna use the stencils because there is 3 stencils, so the stencil is not my size, so let's forget that one. And also I'm not gonna use the brush that's in the kit. So that's what the eyebrow product looks like. So there is like light brown, medium brown, and dark brown. So today I'm going to use this shade right here, and I will use this on the inner corner of my eyebrows. So because this one is a powder product, so first normally I, you know, sprayed my brush first with setting spray. So any setting spray that you have, that will, you know, that will work. But before I will put the product on, I'm just going to brush my hair, make it bushy like that. My brows is uneven, but that's okay. Start to put the product here. So this eyebrow product is very powdery. That's why you need to like spray the brush first before you're going to apply, or else you're going to have lots of pull outs. Very powdery guys. So that's what it looks like right now. So yay! To all my friends here in Rockhampton, or you guys out there that, you know, eyebrows is like, it's the hard part to do. So I suggest that you just watch a tutorial eyebrow video, and that's where you're going to learn. And then I'm going to use this lighter shade in this kit. And then that's where you're going to put in the inner corner of your brows. And then I will clean that one up later, or maybe now. So make sure guys, don't make this corner right here like so dark, para hindi kayo magmukhang mataray. So make sure this area right here is just soft, para, you know, para natural lang yung look nyo, hindi like. And then I will clean this one up. Seriously? Ah! Lobad na mi. Ano ba? So, yung eyebrow product is like parang reddish brown. So, it's not really like black. I want my eyebrows today is a little bit thicker than usual. So see the difference guys. So that one is really thin. And then let's clean this one up using a brush like this one. A fine concealer brush. I don't know what's this brush called. This is a detailer brush. So when I clean up my brows, I normally use a stick foundation. So I use this Everbelina foundation stick. Just clean up a little bit like that, and then you're good to go. Kapag kasi sobrang soft o liquidy yung product to clean up, parang it's hard to blend. See, that's that. And then let's move on to the other eyebrows. And again, as usual, spray the brush, and I normally like do that one or tap the tip of the brush para yung setting spray will absorb on the brush. When you use this BYS brow product guys, make sure you tap it kunti lang, like very slight, kasi very powdery siya. And then tap the excess. When you start putting the product, make sure you start in here and on the upper middle part of your eyebrows, not here on the front, para hindi siya maging like bold tignan. I'm sure most of you know how to do your eyebrows. But still I have friends don't know how to make their eyebrows. So this video is for you. So yeah. So make sure you start from here So then here, just distribute the product evenly, and make sure you just do it very lightly. Don't put too much pressure on the brush, like that. So if you think it's not enough, see, this one is nice now. So that's not enough. Then spray again. Press the tip of the brush and dip the product very slightly. Tap the excess and just, if you think the shape of your brows is not even, you just add it up, but do it very slowly. Then work on the front side. Don't put any more products on the brush. You just like brush it with a leftover. So yes. So as you can see here, it's not that dark. So that's what I mean. Para hindi maging, what's this thing called? Para hindi maging matapang yung look nyo. Different eyebrow shape makes yung parang nagiging iba rin yung itsura nyo. So, ang feature ng look nyo o face nyo nakarely sa inyong brows. Parang ganun. I'm not sure, but parang yun yung aking point of view. Char. May ganun talaga. Meron akong mga friends na nagtatanong sa akin about how to do eyebrows and stuff like that. So, ito na yun, guys. So, you can use, I don't normally use pencil because pag pencil kasi parang for everyday look, parang na susubrahan yung what's this, itsura nyo. I think masaya na ako dyan. To have a perfect eyebrows, yung measurement ng eyebrows sa front, make sure label siya sa inyong nose like this. And then sa tail naman, i-measure nyo lang from here, like parang triangle shape. See? Na-point niya na yung kanyang tail there. That's where you're going to end up your tail. Okay? Measure like this. So, yeah. Hindi like that. I'm not sure. Alam ko, dito lang. Yeah? But, kung gusto nyo palang mahaba, it's up to you. But, yan lang yung aking ginagawa. Yeah? Yeah, and then, let's clean up the edges again. It's hard. Kung gusto nyo ng define brows, clean up the edges like that. And that's it. And then brush it para mawala yung mga powder na hindi karapat-dapat doon. Then we're done. We're done of our brows. So alright guys, that's it for my quick eyebrow tutorial using BYS product that I got bago lang, like 2 days ago. I got it from Kmart for $4. Normally this product is around $7. So yeah, but it's on special when I got it for $4. So I think I like it. It's not bad and it's easy to apply. No more lots of blending going on. You just work with a wet brush so that you can have this defined eyebrow look using a powder product. So alright guys, that's it for my video, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time right here on my channel. Bye guys! Mwah. No, 15 minutes na lang.